Weight loss doesn't always require intense workouts or complicated routines. One of the simplest, most effective ways to burn calories, boost metabolism, and improve overall health is walking. In this video, we'll show you how a daily stroll can transform your body, enhance fat loss, and improve energy, all while being easy to fit into your lifestyle. Subscribe for more practical weight loss tips and simple fitness strategies you can start today. When it comes to weight loss, most people think of intense workouts, gym memberships, or complicated diets. But one of the simplest, most effective strategies often goes overlooked: walking. Walking isn't just easy. It's sustainable, low impact, and backed by science to help burn fat, improve metabolism, and support overall health. A daily walk can be more than just a stroll. It can be the cornerstone of a weight loss journey that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Here are 10 key ways walking can transform your body and help you achieve lasting weight loss. Point 10. Walking burns calories efficiently without intensity. You don't need to run a marathon or spend hours on a treadmill to see results. Walking, especially brisk walking, is a calorie-burning powerhouse that can help create a sustainable calorie deficit, the cornerstone of weight loss. Depending on your weight, pace, and duration, a 30 to 60-minute walk can burn anywhere from 150 to 400 calories. Even moderate-paced walking done consistently accumulates into a significant calorie burn over weeks and months. Unlike extreme workouts that may be difficult to sustain, walking can be maintained for years, making it one of the most effective long-term strategies for fat loss. Point 9. Supports fat loss while preserving lean muscle. High-intensity workouts can sometimes lead to the loss of muscle mass if combined with calorie restriction. One of the biggest benefits of walking is that it encourages fat loss without compromising lean muscle. Muscles are preserved because walking provides low-impact, steady activity that maintains mobility and supports muscle endurance. When combined with occasional resistance training, walking ensures that most of the weight you lose comes from fat rather than muscle, helping you achieve a toned and healthy physique. Point 8. Boosts metabolism and energy levels naturally. Regular walking increases energy expenditure throughout the day and keeps metabolism active. Movement stimulates circulation, enhances oxygen delivery to tissues, and encourages the body to burn fat more efficiently. Walking at a brisk pace, using inclines, or adding light hand weights can further boost calorie expenditure. Beyond weight loss, the activity improves energy levels, making it easier to stay active and motivated for other healthy habits. Walking essentially trains your body to become more efficient at using energy for fuel. Point 7. Improves digestion and blood sugar regulation. Walking, even for short periods after meals, can significantly improve digestion and blood sugar control. Post-meal walks of 10 to 20 minutes stimulate digestive enzymes and reduce spikes in blood glucose, which is essential for fat storage prevention. By improving insulin sensitivity, walking allows your body to use energy more effectively and reduces the likelihood of storing excess calories as fat. This simple practice can also reduce bloating and improve gut health over time, creating a slimmer, healthier physique. Point 6. Reduces stress and balances hormone. Stress is one of the major hidden culprits of weight gain. High cortisol levels can trigger cravings for sugary or fatty foods, often leading to late-night snacking. Walking, especially outdoors, helps reduce stress by releasing endorphins, natural mood-boosting chemicals, and calming the nervous system. Whether you walk in a park, around your neighborhood, or even on a treadmill while listening to music or a podcast, the mental health benefits are powerful. Lower stress not only supports your weight loss goals, but also enhances overall well-being. Point 5. Enhances cardiovascular health and stamina. Walking improves heart health by lowering blood pressure, reducing bad cholesterol, and increasing heart efficiency. Stronger cardiovascular health supports more efficient fat metabolism and improves endurance, which makes daily activities easier and more productive. Over time, consistent walking reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other metabolic conditions, making it a long-term investment in your health. A strong heart and lungs also enhance your ability to burn calories during other forms of exercise, creating a compounding effect on your weight loss journey. Point 4. Encourages consistency through simplicity. One of the reasons walking is so effective is that it's simple and easy to integrate into your lifestyle. Unlike complex workout routines that require planning, gym memberships, or equipment, walking can be done anywhere, anytime. Whether it's a morning walk before work, a stroll during lunch breaks, or an evening walk with family, walking's simplicity makes it easy to remain consistent, which is the key to long-term fat loss. Even short, frequent walks throughout the day can add up and have a powerful cumulative effect on your energy expenditure and body composition. Point 3. Protects joints and improves mobility. High-impact workouts can strain knees, hips, and ankles, especially if you are overweight or have previous injuries. Walking is low impact, which protects joints while still engaging lower body muscles. Over time, walking strengthens muscles around the knees, hips, and core, improving mobility, posture, and balance. This makes walking not only effective for weight loss but also sustainable for long-term physical health. People of all ages can safely benefit from daily walking without worrying about joint damage or excessive soreness. Point 2. Boosts motivation, focus, and mental clarity. Walking doesn't just benefit the body, it also sharpens the mind. Regular walking improves circulation to the brain, enhancing focus, memory, and cognitive function. The increased energy from walking reduces fatigue, making it easier to maintain motivation for workouts, meal prep, and other healthy habits. A clear, energized mind also helps resist emotional eating or impulsive snacking, keeping your weight loss journey on track. Walking essentially strengthens your body and your mental resilience simultaneously. Point 1. Builds lifelong sustainable habits. The ultimate advantage of walking is that it is sustainable for life. Unlike fad diets or extreme exercise programs, walking creates habits that can last decades. By incorporating walking into your daily routine, you develop a rhythm of movement that supports weight management, cardiovascular health, stress reduction, and overall vitality. Over time, these small daily steps compound into significant changes, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight without relying on restrictive diets or unsustainable routines. Walking truly transforms your body, your energy, and your lifestyle. Walking may be simple, but its impact is profound. It's an accessible, low-risk, and sustainable exercise that supports fat loss, preserves muscle, improves metabolism, reduces stress, and enhances overall health. Remember, every step counts, and over time, those steps can transform your body, your health, and your life. And that's the power of walking: simple, consistent, and surprisingly effective for weight loss and overall health. If this video inspired you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow fitness and health tips. Keep walking, stay consistent, and let small steps lead to big transformations.